Okay, to install Pale Moon browser in Kubuntu 18.04, go to your terminal, type sudo sh-c, a quote, echo, an apostrophe, deb, http://download.openSUSE.org /repositories /home /Stephen Pusser /x Ubuntu with a capital U _ 18.04 /space /apostrophe, then a greater than symbol /etsy /apt /sources.list.d /home Stephen Pusser .list. And then a quote. Next, type wget -nv https://downloads.opensuse.org /repositories /home Stephen Pusser /x Ubuntu _ 18.04 /release with a capital R .key, a space -O space release .key. Next, type sudo apt-key add space less than space release.key. Then type sudo apt update. Then type sudo apt install Pale Moon. Okay, when that's done, you can exit the terminal, go to your applications, search for Pale Moon, click the icon, okay, Pale Moon is up and running. That's all there's to it. Thanks for watching.